we are parents and we are caregivers, and we know how many Kenyans have gone through the same. So this abrupt circular, it is our appeal as council that let the ministry withdraw this and then engage now public consultation on it before finally a decision is made on the same and a government policy is done on the same. We appreciate the Senate for giving us this chance, and thank you so very much for availing my time, even out of recess, to discuss this great matter of national importance. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chair. Maybe before I go to other senators or request, I think you had a request, Senator Zeki.
Yeah, thank you, Chair. I've just requested to have my presentation before I leave. I have another engagement. Chair, I think this is a very important forum, and we need to respect this forum to the end, such that now we need to make it a bit serious so that we save lives of many Kenyans who their lives is in limbo. Chair, I believe on one thing, that probably whoever that said that this ministry have very clueless leaders is right. And I think it is true, because you can see the stakeholders in the section of ECDE or early childhood are complaining and crying from universities, colleges, private institutions, COG, who are the stakeholders and the functions, who have the function according to the constitution, are also in trouble. Then we have a clueless peers who have just signed this circular. I think it is true that we need to have him here to come and explain himself and tell this committee, together with the entire stakeholders of the ministry, of the entire country, why he's writing such circulars without consultation. So on that Tuesday, I urge, Chair, if that is necessary, important, all these stakeholders to come that particular day, we engage him, and we cannot allow this kind of nonsense. Sorry, Chair, but I think that is nonsense. Thank you very much. May God bless you all.
Thank you, Senator. Before I give the senators a chance now to give their remarks, I just want to urge the Chair. I think you've understood now where we are coming from and the way we are trying to get the way forward. And then we can address the other issues, because I believe your petition to us today has other issues which we should look at. It was not just on that. So please allow us today to deal with this very, very fundamental issue which is going to affect people in this country. And I think from today's meeting, we are happy to say that we've learned a lot, we've gathered a lot. The fears you have, especially the CUG, that is the fears we were carrying as a Senate, as protectors of devolution. And I think the way we've done it today is the best way that they could have done it. So that now from here, we'll come up with a way forward. Maybe before we close, I'd ask the senators please to give us their closing remarks and the way forward.
Maybe, Chair, we have an issue. 11th is where the ministry is appearing. Secretariat is just telling me that we have a joint retreat for governors at Kilivi on at that time. So maybe we'll request here that we can bring in our Secretary, Valerie, will bring in the written memorandum to you.
Ne korongo jong mano kanyo Gavana e county ma Kericho Erick Mutai mabende nitiere e nyim committee mano marod bura mar Senate kabende none kotenre kod puonj mago mag nyithindo mago mag jonasar kata ECDE. Kata kamano kwa biro e twak mabende wantiere godo nyakorongo jwang kapok wadhi county machielo mar mondo mawinj kaka jopiny no loso. Zaki hin bende korin medakili e twak kaka kaluore kaka joweche ni Erick kanyakla kod Hillary osebedo ka twak achal kod kaluore kod chal mag gwenge wa Omenda mabende counties makamago oseyudi.
Pod abro dok mana kama we abro kwanye gi kanyo. Hillary okwanye gi kanyo, Erick bende okwanye gi kanyo. You can see is is a mixed reaction. Tiende ni paro mopogore opogore.